So here we are on the main landing page of your art course. You don't need to go any further than this. This is the link we want. Just so you can see there is some other stuff here. We don't need it today. This is all you need. We're going to do the one sheet mini booklet for this week. This is a project that we were going to do placed at a later time in the trimester, but we're going to go ahead and do it this week. It just makes sense. So the materials you'll need: a sheet of paper and scissors. That's all you'll need to make the booklet, and then the pencil and your drawing and coloring tools. You'll need that obviously later after you've made the booklet to decorate and fill it in. Before you even do this, I invite you to look at all of the examples in the little white caddy on your tables. These are one sheet mini booklets. The theme of all of these is they're little how-to booklets. So like how to make salsa, how to prepare to run a marathon, how to sew a dress, whatever. So let's just look at those. While we aren't necessarily doing how-to books, it's just they're fun little examples to show you what's possible. So out of one sheet, you're going to make a booklet. And this is the video I want you to follow along with. I'm going to watch it here with you now and explain a couple things just to help clarify the tricky parts. So you've got a sheet of paper and you're going to fold it hamburger style once, hamburger style twice, and hamburger style 3 times. She's just creasing it. You don't have to do that yet. Then you unfold it completely. Now this part's important. Notice that this edge that she's flipping open, that's the open edge. And the side that she's working with, that she's holding, is the folded edge. Make sure that you've got the folded edge that you're going to cut into, and you're only cutting in along that halfway up, along that folded crease, only halfway. Again, on the folded edge. That's really important. If you don't do that, you'll have to start over, which is no big deal, but just so you know. So just a cut there, unfold it. Okay, now watch what she does. Folds it that way. Okay. There, press. And there you go. There's the book. That's it. You might have to watch that a couple times to get it. I know you can do it. And so as you can see, it's got 8 pages. Front page is 1, back cover is page 8. Cool. Now that you've done that, you're going to fill it in. What will your one sheet be about? You have 8 pages to fill, including the front and back cover. So I've got requirements for you for 4 of the pages, and you can do this in any order, well, besides the title. So you need 1 page that's the front cover with title and your name, because you're the author and illustrator. Include both words and doodles. Another page is optical illusion line art, op-line art. If you click this, it will take you to, let's see if we can do it right here. There you go. This is where it takes you. Now I've given you some examples here. There's some MC Escher. These are examples of what op-line art is in pencil, in fine point Sharpie, and regular Sharpie. And then your turn. So you can follow this little tutorial here, or you can check out one of these tutorial videos. So that's going to be 1 page of the 4 required. Another page, besides the front cover and the outline, is neurographic art. So if you click there, it takes you to this. Neurographic meaning neurons. You can read this or not. This is a really cool video that shows you actual footage of neurons and what happens in your brain when you are learning things. It's very, very, very cool. It's only 2 minutes. I highly recommend that you watch it. And then how do we do this? Well, here's the main tutorial video. It's 8 minutes. It's a really well done video. You don't have to watch the whole thing because you'll get the hang of it. You'll see what she means, but it's really nice because she's got these here and the captions, and she shows you what to do. Awesome. If you want more, if you want to go further, these are more examples with color and just variations. All right, back to our requirements. Then this is the fourth and final requirement of the 8 pages. Community Transform. This is a Voices Productions webpage. This is the group that's responsible for all the murals that you see. So in town, which we have like over 45. So if you go to gallery and you go to photos, you're gonna get almost all of the murals. And all I want you to do is click on one that you enjoy and draw it in your booklet. Make sure you put the artist and the year if you can find it, and the title. Another way to look is to go to artists and click on one that you think maybe looks interesting. Okay. And then you can see their work that way. So you can play around with this page. It's pretty cool, the Voices page. And just side note, if you haven't, yeah, there's videos about the processes and stuff. And if you haven't gone around like on a little scavenger hunt with these murals in town, there is a map that you can go check out. All right. Now that we are finished with the 4 requirements, beyond that, you're left with 4 other pages to fill, including the back cover, however you decide. So these, I just give you some examples of maybe how else you'd want to fill the rest of your booklet. I don't need to go through those, but there are a couple links if you want. There's, and you don't have to do anything that I have here. Really, you have full choice with what you want to write and draw. This is your chance to show off what you like, what you're good at, and what interests you. Please keep these booklets in your folder. Yes, they are a graded project, and I'm really excited to see what you come up with. Enjoy.